Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Portal Radio song on piano. This iconic, slightly eerie tune is surprisingly simple and perfect for beginners. We will break it down into easy steps, focusing on just a few notes. You will learn the right-hand melody and the left-hand accompaniment, then combine them for a complete sound. Get ready to impress your friends with this classic video game theme. For your right hand, let's start with the melody. Position your hand so your thumb rests on middle C. Now, find the D note just above middle C, playing it with your fifth finger. Next, locate the note, which you will play with your second finger. The main melody simply alternates between these two notes, D and A, creating that distinctive, repetitive sound. Practice playing these two notes smoothly and evenly. Now, let's add the left-hand accompaniment to give our song depth. Position your left hand so your fifth finger, your pinky, rests on the D note 1 octave below middle C. This single D note will provide the simple, droning bass line that underpins the melody. You can either hold this note down or play it gently each time the right hand plays its D. Focus on a consistent, soft touch. It's time to put both hands together. Begin by playing the right hand D and the left hand D simultaneously. Then, while holding the left hand D, play the right hand A. This creates the full, iconic sound. Practice this pattern slowly, ensuring both hands are coordinated and the rhythm is steady. Repeat the sequence many times to build muscle memory and confidence. Soon, you will be playing the Portal Radio song effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.